So I am so excited. I'm Jennifer Johnson. I'm with TTR Networking. I am here today to invite you to register and join us on Wednesday, October 23rd, for the third annual Tricks to Make Networking a Treat at Office Evolution in Carmel. And it is the best event to go to right now because there's three groups that are going to be represented. TTR Networking, INSPIREsmall.biz, Ryan Henry's groups, and we have Denise Prahl's groups with Whiteboard Learning that will also be there. So you get three groups for the price of one. It doesn't cost anything actually, but be there and you have to register in the link below. We cannot tell you how excited we are to be doing this again for the third year. So make sure you put it on your calendar, register below. We'll see you there.